Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fluently Speaking with Morani. I hope you are doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. So today is the 32 video of the series Practice English with me. So as a beginner, some of you are making too much mistake. So today I am going to talking about some mistake that helps you to fix the problem. So number one mistake is while you are learning English, you don't speak. You are watching, you are listening, you are reading, you are writing, but you are not speaking. This is the big problem. Because if you don't speak, you will not be fluent speaker. You have to speak loud because while you are reading, it is trains your brain. While you are listening, it trains your ear. But while you are speaking, it trains your mouth muscle. It helps you speak English loudly. It gives you confidence. So you have to speaking practice. Speaking practice is the most important thing. Let me give an example. One person who want to be a good diver, but he or she just is watching video how to drive the car. He is overthink what will happen in future, but he don't drive a car once a time. So he or she will be the good driver. It is not possible. Similarly, if you couldn't speak, how you will be a good speaker? Speaking English is a skill. It is not your intelligence, your talent. It's a skill, like music, like fitness. If you are running one day or jogging one day or doing exercise one day, can you lose your weight? Similarly, you have to speak. You are just waiting while perfection will come, I will speak. While perfect day will come, I will speak. It can't help you. Practice will help you speak English, not waiting, not silent. Silence help you. And second thing, second mistake, what you were doing, you don't practice regularly. Most of the people, what they do, they practice 2 3 days in when starting, and they will left. Maybe practice 1 week, maybe 1 month, then they give up. It is not possible because it is a skill. You can't speak English fluently overnight. It overnight change will not happen. It's a continuous process. You have to put your effort and hard work continuously. Then you will be the fluent speaker. So that's all for today. I think this video will help you. See you in next video. Till then, tata. Bye bye. Have a nice day.